So welcome to another series of tutorials, and today we will be covering the object referencings and overriding methods in Java. So let us start the program. It will be a very simple program for beginners, and I hope that you will understand it, the concept of overriding and object references. Okay, so let us start. So first let us define a class animal. Okay, and in that class we will define a function move. So public void move, and in the move function we will just display a very simple line. So system.out.println and animals move. Okay, so this was our first class, and the next class will be let us define a class named cat, and it extends the class animal. So cat is a subchild or a subclass of the animal. I don't like this, sorry. Okay, now we will define the similar function such as move. So we just copy it here, and in this we will write here cats say meow. Okay, now we will write the driver function, and in a minute we will get to understand the concept. So let me name it test, as I have named it test.java. Okay, oh, public static void main string ArgS, the very basic line that you have to learn while you're starting off with Java. Okay, now we will define two objects, and the first will be of animal reference, and the object will be of the animal object. So animal ob1 equals new animal. Okay, so this is the object of the animal class. So the reference is to the animal class, and the object is to the animal class as well. So it is pointing to the animal class only. The next is the reference is to the animal class, the next object which I am going to write, but it is a dog object. Okay, so the reference is to the animal class, but the pointer is to the cat. Okay, now we write ob1.move and ob2.move. Okay, so let us run the function, the program. Clear. Okay, javac test.java. okay, so there is a problem. New cat, this is capital. Okay, now we just run the class file, and it is animal. I'm extremely sorry, this is test. Okay, so animals move and cats say meow. So this is a perfect example. What happens is that in the above example you can see that even though the ob2 is a type of the animal class, it runs the move method in the cat class. The reason for this is that in the compile time the check is made on the reference type. However, in the runtime the Java virtual machine figures out that the object type, and it would run the method that belongs to the particular object. So therefore in the above example the program will compile properly since animal class has the method move. Then at the runtime it runs this method specified for that object. But if animal class didn't have this move object, then there would be an error, and you can clearly see that error. Let me just show you what happens if I add another function here, public void meow. Okay, so that is the sound that a cat makes. I hope you all know that. Okay, some random lines, Okay, now what I do is that I write ob2 dot meow. Okay, so check, you will get an error in this. Sorry, again. Yeah, so ob2.meow, the variable ob2 of type animal. So as you can see, that is the error, as I told you, because the meow function was not defined in the animal class, so that got an error. Okay, so thank you for watching.